How to post Instagram Reel automatically. Hello everyone, today I will show to you a software that will help you to post Reel on Instagram automatically. I will use the MKT Insta and click on the viral marketing functions and click on the post video reel. Firstly, I just need to set up the configurer such as to read, running, and the number here. Okay, it's all done now. And now I just need to select the video. Here I will choose the video that I want to post in the reel of Instagram. I will click all and choose some functions like here's the caption, then I will save it, and after posting I will click on the last post, and finally I just need to select all the account that I have and click on the start buttons here, and the process of posting Instagram reel will start. You can see it will post Instagram reel with a large number. You just need to prepare a lot of account that you have and prepare the video, the content to upload, so it will post automatically for you. So if you want to try the software, just need to contact me through the information I write below the video. Thanks for watching.